Will Vsee squeeze all the way upwards of the $4 levels once again in the upcoming day? Or is this a ticker which is glory days are behind it? You should be locking your profits or cutting your losses right now and walking away from. What's up, trend friends? Today, we're squeezing Vsee under three different lenses. The why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be doing a cast breakdown. The what, we're going to do some stock analysis. The where, I'm going to tell you guys where to get in and where to get out. So without further ado, if this is the type of content you guys like, hit that thumbs up button. We only have one goal to be at 50,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Call me crazy. I think we can do it, all right? With your help, over 60% of you guys are not yet subscribed. So please, please, please hit that freaking subscribe button. And now let's get to work. So when it comes to Vsee, guys, this is a ticker which is after hours, has ran over a whopping 74%. Today's markets were absolutely crazy for the ticker. It started at approximately 50 cents, ran all the way upwards of 4, dropped back down to 1, and now it's pumping again. What the hell is going on here? Well, I'm here to tell you what happens. Let me tell you exactly what happened. As always, we want to analyze the why first, because in order to predict the future, we first need to understand the past. So why did this ticker even start running from 57 to $4, right? Like what really happened over here? Well, I'll tell you what happened over here, right? A whole bunch of nothing, a whole bunch of nothingness, really, right? They received an award from the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services Authority to operate at, you know, let's see what it actually says, okay? Because I don't like reading the news on Moon. Kind of looks like shit. I'm not gonna. So it says Vsee awarded U.S. Department of Health and Human Services FedRAMP High ATO. All right, they won an award. Everyone, they won an award. Amazing, 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 amazing. Yeah, you know what, man? You know what? You're right. You're right. This award that they won should multiply the company's market cap by 700%. This award is truly what we've been waiting for. I mean, it's what investors have been all around the world. Investors of Vsee have been waiting for the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services to come out and give us this award. It's nonsense. It's nonsensical. So we're going to go over here and put the breaking news as okay, because that's really what it is, just okay. However, why did this ticker run? I'll tell you why it ran. Okay, it got a push today. It got a massive, massive push. So first of all, the company's only got a free float of 7 million shares, okay? Now, this is what you need to understand. The stock market is simple supply and demand. When there's a limited supply and demand comes in, stocks spike up. When there's a limited demand and supply is increasing, aka death, okay? You see it, I see it, right? Now, this is what you need to understand. This is what's very important for you to understand, okay? Is that when you're looking at a stock like this, you need to understand that this demand that we got over here, okay, to pump the stock, it was more likely than not artificial. That's right. They paid people to pump it. Whether it's news article companies, whether it's YouTube channels, just like the one you're watching right now, whether it's WhatsApp groups, they paid individuals to pump these tickers. That's what they did. They paid them to pump it. That's what they did. Now, this is allegedly. I'm not saying that's what they did, but that's what they do. That's what these companies do. Myself, I've been offered in multiple 5 figures to come out and talk about companies which I fucking hate, which they suck. But guess what? I prioritize my integrity over finances. This is why I come out here and I make these videos for you guys. And I tell you, hey, this company sucks. This stock is shit. This stock is good. This stock is bad. I'm buying this ticker. I'm not buying that ticker. You think it's easy? You think it's easy? Because anytime you criticize a stock, nobody watches videos of a stock that they don't already have funds in. And if they already have funds in, they love that stock with all their freaking heart. They don't want to hear, oh, it sucks. So what do? They hate. They hate the channel. They leave negative comments. They hit the thumbs down button over and over again. So in a way, I understand the people that chill and come out and say, oh, this ticker's the best, this company's the best, and they only want to say positive things. Because guess what? When you say positive things, you get the thumbs up. You get people saying, oh yeah, amazing channel. Because you're just agreeing with people. But there's the thing. So most of these stocks suck, like this one. So what's happening over here? Why would they pump it, Sam? So then they can go ahead and add to the supply. So they can go ahead and sell these damn shares that they sold you guys. So volatility, want to put amazing. But what about cash, Sam? What about how much cash does this company have? Let's take a look. They're broke. They have negative 200K in the bank. They're burning 400K every quarter. They're broke. They have no money. They have no, and guess what? This was even way worse before. This was way worse like a week ago or so, right? So what did they do to make this better? They sold a lot of shares. They sold a lot of shares into the markets. Now, when you sell a lot of shares, these people have these shares. But guess what? They're not going to, if someone bought warrants for 75 cents a share, they're not going to sell it when the stock's at 50 cents. They're going to take the loss. No, no, no. They're going to pay some people to pump the stock up. So then when they pump the stock up, the value of those 75-cent shares goes up, and voila, they just made money. So as the stock was pumping, what happened? Sell, 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 shares, 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 dump shares, dump shares, dump shares, dump shares, dump shares, to the downside. And guess what, my friends? Tomorrow they're going to do the same damn shit. So if you're getting your opportunity right now to see this, wake up at 4 a.m., close your position. This stock's not getting above 250-ish. In my opinion. In my opinion, it's not even getting above 2. I don't think it should even get above 2. Why? Because they're going to spam sell these shares. They're going to dump these shares into the market. They're going to fill the markets with these shares, and it's going to go nowhere. All right? So that's my take when it comes to Vsee. Stay far, far away as far as you can. Dilution is going crazy. Okay? Terrible dilution. Institutional ownership. Let's take a look at it. I mean, I've seen what I've seen, right? 1% institutional ownership. Horrible. Horrible. Look at this. Horrible. Ugh. You got it. It's the worst. It's the worst. I'm staying far, far away. Anyways, listen. If you're tired of losing money, okay, and I bailed you out, which I probably did, you should sell your shares in this shit. I think so. I would sell my shares if I had shares. You're welcome. All right? Now I'll tell you this. Check out our community. If you're tired of losing, check out our community. Our community will give you access to my day trade alerts, swing alerts, options, everything. Like this company, look. Look at this, right? So we have day trade alerts, we have swing alerts, we have option alerts. Our alerts are extremely inclusive. We give you the ticker, we give you the entry, we give you the exit, we give you the stop loss. We also tell you how many shares to buy in your account. Let's say you have a 100K account. We tell you the share size in a 10K account. So let's say you have a 100K account, you buy 5 times the shares. Or you buy 10 times the shares, my apologies. Let's say you have a 30K account, you buy 3 times the shares. Simple and easy. This was literally today, or yesterday rather. We've been crushing it. We've been crushing it day in, day out. You know, previously we used to do a 7-day free trial. Wilson says, hi Sam, thank you for all work on the community. My 7-day trial finish was great. I thank you for the membership. 7K in 7 days. Now we no longer do a 7-day free trial. You know what we do now? Now we do a 2 weeks free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Lulu, this is really today. She says, sold a little early, but green is green. So grateful for all your bigger bees, and Sam joining this team has been the best decision. Wonderful. Look at this, 45% gains. Today, 500% off a Nokia. Linda, literally new member. Shout out Linda. Thanks for the recommendation and the whole SoFi this morning. Bang, 52% gains. Another great day. Thanks for the bang. We've been crushing it, guys. We've been crushing it. Yesterday, my man Mark says 1,100 profits from LK alert. I cannot pay off a third of my rental wheels for my Range Rover. Sexy fucking car. Beautiful, man. Listen, we've been kicking ass. Day in, day out, we've been crushing it. And guess what? One more thing. $68,000 off of our alert. Right now, the next 10 members that join, they get access to our Discord for a 50% discount. You're right. Why? Because we want to promote action taking. All right? So give it a shot. Stockton says started at 4K this month, plus 300 for today, and just started. Started with 4K accounts, already about 5,700. Amazing, man. Amazing. Joel Neal says started a small account to test out some day trade swing alerts, and I'm grateful to Sam Capital again for the recent wins. Thank you so much. I'm definitely sticking around. Wonderful, man. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. God bless. I'm so proud of what we built, man. I'm so proud. Hey, folks, my second trade with the team, 1,300 in less than an hour. $68,000 for Annie. Or 46, my apologies. I just repeated what I said earlier. Granny Slayer says, a couple years ago, I was down in the trenches, absolutely beyond fucked, made every single mistake you can name and wouldn't learn from it, lost way more than I could afford and was so close to giving up. Decided to give it one last chance and find mentors. Now I'm almost back to the green with the help of Sam and everyone else. Words can't describe it, but Sam, you helped me more than you could know. Thank you so much on all the other shot callers. The Robin account is my own doing, really don't know what the fuck I was doing. The Moomoo account I started when joining the server, truly a lifesaver. So this was himself, and then this is him with us. Amazing, man, amazing. God bless. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Happy listening trading. Your boy Sam from Top Academy.